What's up, gentlemen? So today you're gonna love this video if you're somebody that always wants to look your best and never wants to look old and ugly, because I'm gonna go over a few things that you need to do in order to always look your best. Starting with number one, which is exercise. I'm not gonna go into a big long thing, but if you always want to look attractive and not ugly, you gotta take care of your body. One of the quickest things that you can do to become unattractive is to let yourself go. Whether or not it's man boobs, love handles, if you get sloppy fat, zero chance you're gonna look your best. Number two is make sleep a priority. If you're not getting 7 to 8 hours of solid slumber every single night, there is no chance that you are going to look your best. Number three, I'm going rapid fire here, is eat better. If you're somebody that's eating a diet that's high in shit food, you are never going to look your best. Start using skincare products. You don't need to use a ton of them. You don't need to use like 5 or 6. You only need to do a few basic things every day in order to have amazing skin. Wash your face every day, twice a day. Use a moisturizer every morning, every night. Exfoliate twice a week. That's it. Don't smoke anything. And I mean anything, because when you smoke, you're going to make your teeth discolored and nasty. You're also going to prematurely age your face. Smoking is one of the quickest ways for you to become ugly. All right, which brings me to the next thing, and that is white teeth. Gentlemen, your mouth, your teeth, it is a critical component to you looking your best. You got to make sure that your smile is sexy. And so if your teeth are discolored or yellow, whiten them. If your teeth are falling out or all whack, then go to the dentist, go to the orthodontist, get veneers, get your teeth sexy so that you will always be attractive. The next thing is your hair. Gentlemen, if it's falling out, stop it. If you've lost it, get it back. But Alpha, I can, it's genetic. No, you can, and that's the beautiful thing, and the reason why Bosley is so amazing. Gentlemen, if you don't want to lose your hair, if you want your hair to stay and always look amazing so that you always look amazing, I want you to hit that link down below and check out today's video sponsor, Bosley. There's a link that's special that's going to give you a free guide that's all about hair loss and hair restoration. You also are going to get to grab a $250 off gift card if you decide to actually go in to see Bosley and have them help you with you and your hair loss. Guys, Bosley, think of them as the hair doctors. They've been in the hair loss business for over 45 years. And when it comes to my hair, that is the only company that I trust. Because why would you want to trust your hair to some like tech startup that got a bunch of money and basically is like, oh, we'll send you products, we'll do this. They don't know hair loss. They don't know you. They don't know what you're dealing with. Bosley does. And they've got the solution for you and your hair at any stage of hair loss. That's the beautiful thing. Whether or not you haven't started to lose it and you don't want to, Bosley got you covered. If you started to lose it, started to thin, your hairline's moving back on your head, Bosley's got you covered. If you look at your pillow and you got extra hairs or in the drain, Bosley's got you covered. If your dad is bald, if your weird Uncle Barry is bald, if it's genetic, gentlemen, Bosley's got you covered. Covered in sexy ass hair, because that is what you're gonna get, guys. But you gotta be honest. Stop looking in the mirror and thinking, oh, I wonder if she can notice. I wonder if it's falling. Gentlemen, you know, she knows, everybody knows. And do not try to cover it up. If you expect to always look your best and always be attractive, you've got to feel confident. And there's nothing that's going to make you feel more confident than getting your real hair back. Guys, Bosley, they're the solution that I trust. They're the solution that you should look into. If you're somebody that is serious about wanting to feel amazing and get your real hair back or keep the hair that you have, guys, now is the time, because the sooner you start, the sooner you take action, the better your results are going to be, and the sooner you're going to be loving your look. One of the things that's going to help you look youthful and sexy for a long time is having hair. Guys, I'm just telling you, I'm just throwing it out there. Now, the downside is that the majority of dudes are going to lose some hair at some point in their life. But how you handle it, what you do, that is totally choice. You do not have to suffer the insecurity of hair loss. You do not have to look in the mirror and be embarrassed the fact that you're not having sexy ass hair anymore. Gentlemen, if you are ready to get your real hair back, I want you to do something incredible. I want you to hit that link down below and grab the guide. The guide, like I said, it's totally free, which makes it a huge no-brainer. It's going to go over the various treatment options, and then you're also going to get a $250 off Bosley gift card that you can use at Bosley if you go in and sit down and actually take action. Guys, you are amazing. Your hair is going to look incredible. I do not want you to be embarrassed. I don't want you to do a comb over. I don't want you to always be worried about your hair. I want you to feel amazing. I want you to look incredible, and I want you to get your real hair back. Bosley's the only company that I trust, and the only company that you should be checking out if you are serious about getting your real hair back and keeping the hair that you have. Guys, hit the link, grab the guide, grab the gift card. Let me ask you a question real quick. Do you think these guys are happy they went to Bosley? Hell yeah, they are. They look amazing. And so will you. Always dress well and stylish. Guys, one of the quickest things that you can do to elevate the aesthetic of you and make yourself more attractive is dress better. Dress with style, dress with intention, dress with purpose. If you're somebody that wants to automatically look better, dress better. It's not only going to give you more opportunities because people want to be around people that are well dressed, that are stylish. You're going to be perceived as more attractive, more youthful, and you are always going to look amazing. Fact, you are going to look better than 99.9% of other sloppy ass dudes, because 99.9% of other dudes look sloppy. They also look dehydrated and their skin looks rough because they're not drinking enough water, which is the next way for you to always look handsome and never look ugly. If you're dehydrated, guys, your skin is going to look old, it's going to look rough, it's going to look rugged, your body is not going to look right, you are not going to be as handsome, your skin isn't going to be as vibrant, you are not going to radiate amazing handsomeness. All right, if you're dehydrated though, unfortunately, you're probably going to look ugly. You're also going to look ugly if you've got red eyes. Guys, the fact is, if you want your eyes to look the best, you got to, A, like we talked about, get enough sleep, but you also need to figure out why they're looking rough. If you're somebody that has high blood pressure, all right, you've got heart disease, your eyes can be a warning sign. If they're red, if they're bloodshot, right? If you got bags or dark circles, you might have allergies. There's something going on if your eyes aren't looking good. Guys, crystal clear, sexy eyes are the window to the soul. They're also the window to always looking attractive and never looking old. The next way to never be ugly is be well groomed. That includes your face, that includes your beard, that includes your nose hair, all right, your ears, are they clean, are they hygienic? Is your body, is it straight? In terms of your body hair, is it all crazy? Or are you somebody that is rocking a ton of back hair? Gentlemen, not sexy, not attractive. You've got to be well groomed, all right? We talk all about this. You also have to have impeccable hygiene. One of the amazing things about grooming is that you have complete control over it, right? Because unfortunately, we can't change whether or not we're like 6'2" or 5'2". A lot of times we can't change our bone structure, right? Our genetics do play a huge role in the way that we look. But the beautiful thing is that the lifestyle choices that you make in terms of if you're going to work out, or if you're going to take care of yourself, or wear stylish clothes, or keep your hair, or be well groomed, smell amazing, have incredible hygiene, you have complete control over this, which means you've got control over like 95% of the way that you are perceived aesthetically speaking. For me personally, I don't mind getting older as long as I don't look old and unattractive. And the beautiful thing is that if you start now, you don't neglect yourself in terms of your body, in terms of your face, in terms of your hair, in terms of your skin, in terms of your health, in terms of what you're eating, you are going to be amazed at how well you age. And that's one of the things. When I tell people that I'm 47, I'm literally almost 50 years old, a lot of times they're like, wait, really? And I'm like, yeah. And they're like, but you look so good for your age. You look so young. And I'm like, yeah, it's because I've consistently done the things that I talked about in this video. Guys, it's not about doing it quickly. It's not about doing it like one day or a week or a month. It's about doing the things that we talked about in this video consistently. It's about taking care of yourself. It's about taking pride in your appearance, not to mention your physical and overall well-being and health. Guys, if you are ready to do something that's going to help you always look amazing, regardless of how old you are, you've got to start doing and implementing the things and the strategies that we talked about in this video. I promise you, not only are you going to look attractive, you never will feel ugly, and you always are going to look better than 99.9% of other sloppy ass dudes.